Dear students, now we will discuss about finalize method. Don't get confused with the final keyword that we have already discussed. Finalize is a method. It is not a keyword. Okay. In Java, when an object of a class is no longer required or no longer used, then a Java has a built-in automatic garbage collector and it comes into picture and it will destroy or delete the objects that are no longer required by deallocating the memory that is allocated for that object. That means the garbage collector is performing memory cleanup activity. Actually, the garbage collector internally calls a method called finalize to perform that cleanup activity. Let us now discuss about finalize method. Finalize is a method that the garbage collector always calls just before deleting or destroying the object which is eligible for garbage collection. That means the object which is not required or no longer used. So as to perform cleanup activity. Cleanup activity means closing the resource associated with that object like database connection, network connection, or we can say resource deallocation. Cleaning does not means only deleting the memory that is allocated for that object. It also includes deleting the database connection if the object is connected to a database, or deleting the network connection if the object is connected to network resources. Along with that, memory can also be deallocated. Okay, so remember this finalize is a method, it is not a keyword. Okay. By the time the final method completes its execution, the garbage collector will perform cleanup activity. This finalize method is present in a Java built-in class called object. Okay, and here is the syntax to use the finalize method in Java. Always the finalize method should be under protected access specifier. This finalize method will catch some of the exceptions that are throwable under throwable class. Hence we have to write finalize throws throwable. So throwable is an exception class which is present in Java. When we learn more about exception classes in Java, we will discuss more about this throws keyword and throwable class. Finalize method can be added to any class. Java calls that method whenever it is about to reclaim the space for that object. If you want to perform any task, then you have to specify that code within this finalize method. That's about finalize method in Java.